If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Snapchat, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause verification issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. Step 2. Update the Snapchat app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to your device's App Store, search for Snapchat, and update the app if a new version is available. This can fix bugs that may be causing verification failures. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve any temporary issues. Go to your device's settings, find Snapchat in the app list, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app and try the verification process again. Step 4. Use a different device. If verification still fails, try using a different device to log into your Snapchat account. Sometimes, device-specific issues can interfere with the verification process. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any error messages you received. They can help you troubleshoot further or provide alternative verification methods. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with identity verification on Snapchat. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Snapchat support team.